AI tools are taking over 2026 as we know it. We now have high-end video generators like Kling, Cadence, and Veo 3, but there's one big problem. Most of these tools are paid, but I found a solution. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 of the best free AI video generators out right now. Before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe, and join my Discord, link in the bio. So, this is the very first AI tool I'm going to be showing you in this video. Right off the bat, I want you to keep in mind that all of the video and image generators I'm showcasing today are completely 100% free and unlimited for both me and you to use. Straight from the get-go, you can see that you have a lot to work with here. There's a prompt box right here where you can type in a simple description. For example, I can just type in the prompt, "a woman drinking coffee," just like this. One of the main reasons why I really love this particular AI tool is that it gives you the variety to choose specific features that you want for your generation. It essentially gives you 100% control and freedom over the final look. Like if you click right over here, you can actually select the specific shot type that you need. You can go with portraits, for instance. You also have the option to select the color palette. I'm just going to leave it set to warm for now. For the effects, I'm going to go ahead and select background blur, simply because it brings a nice pop to the image generation. And as for the art style, if you scroll down, you can see that there is a wide variety of different art styles to choose from here. However, if you are strictly going for realism, I highly recommend going for either cinematic or casual photo. For this example, I'll be going with casual photo. Now, this is where this AI tool really beats out other paid ones on the market. If you click right here, you can see that you can actually generate up to 32 images at a single time. Honestly, that is a really good feature, and it gives you a huge variety to choose from. However, my personal recommendation is usually generating 4 or perhaps 2 images at a time. I've noticed that the fewer images you generate, the better the overall quality you get from the final outcome. So I'm going to go with 4 images and click Generate. The AI tool has now started generating our images. And as you can see, in no time at all, our images have been generated. Honestly, this is really good, especially judging that this AI tool is completely free for me and you to use. It adhered to the prompts perfectly, and this is exactly what we asked for, a woman drinking coffee. Once again, you can simply click right here and save it straight into your device. I'm just going to test out one more prompt very quickly before I then reveal the name of this AI tool and move on to the next one. We'll just clear this out, and let's try realistic selfie of a woman with pink hair. Once again, you can play around with these settings all you want, but I'm just going to leave it at this and click Generate. Honestly, this AI tool is truly a beast because of the amazing realistic generations you get from it. This honestly looks like a real person. And remember, it's completely free and unlimited for me and you to use. Once again, you can just click right here and save it straight into your device. And this right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out. So, moving right along to the second one, which is Hugging Face. Now, most of you might already be familiar with this AI tool because of its massive wide variety of model assets. Seriously, this AI tool has almost every single model out there that you can think about when it comes to image, video, and even audio generations. This tool really has it all. The first thing you want to do here is click on Models, then head over to Spaces. Right from the get-go, you can see that there's a wide variety of models, ranging from image generation, video generation, and text generation, all the way up to code generation. Like I said, this tool has it all. But the specific one I'm going to be showing you today is focused on video generation. So just click here and you'll be loaded over to this interface. Once again, there is a wide variety of open source AI tools right here on this site, and some of them are even as new as 2 days ago. That just goes to show you that this AI tool repository is being uploaded and updated daily. So the specific model that I'm going to be using is this one right here. So just click on it. Right from the get-go, you can see this tab where you can upload an image, which I will do right now. I've got this image right here uploaded. From the prompt, you can see this is an already preset prompt here, and this actually works really well. You can also take the duration all the way up to 10 seconds. I'm just going to leave it exactly as it is and click on Generate Video. We'll just give this a minute while it's being generated. Okay, in no time at all, our video has been generated. Let's take a look. Honestly, this is really, really good. The motion and everything looks really smooth. There is no weird morphing or distortion, and it gave us a beautiful result. Once again, you can click here and download it straight to your device. And for those of you who don't want to run it online, you can as well run it straight on your device and host it locally. So yeah, that's an option. Okay, so this right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out and it will be in my bio as well. Now lastly, for the final video generator that I'm going to be showing in this video, which is this one, honestly, this one is truly, truly a beast. It's completely free, completely uncensored, and if you look over here, you can see that there's no credit system at all. That's to show you that this is literally open source, as you can see here, and I did not pay a single dime to get this. In order to generate in this AI tool, you just have to scroll down, and you can see a wide variety of models to choose from, ranging from the image generator, and if you scroll down, you can also see that the video generators are all here for me and you to use. So, let's start off with image generating. Just click on Experience It Now right here, and you will be loaded over to this interface. Right from the get-go, you can see that the model has been selected here. Do note that this is a China-owned AI site, so it might be in Chinese when you first load it. All you have to do is right-click and select Translate to English. So, we have a prompt box here. You can type in a simple prompt like, I would say, realistic image of a woman walking a dog, just like this. You can select the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 9:16, and you can select the quantity of images you want to generate at a time. This tool does it all the way up to 4. I think 2 is a good mid-range for this, so I'm just going to leave it at 2 and hit generate. Our image is being generated right here, and this doesn't take much time at all. Looking around, you can see that there's no place for credits, and that's to show you once again that it's truly free and unlimited for me and you to use. And our images are done generating. If you take a closer look, you can see how well this performs with the textures on her skin, and everything looks really, really lifelike. It doesn't even give that weird AI feel at all. I love how well it's adhered to the prompt, even with the light dawning down on her as she's walking the dog. Everything is just on point. You can click here to download them straight into your device. Now, click on Select Model, and there are different video generative options like image to video and text to video. Firstly, let's try out image to video, which I'll select here, and the interface will be changed. Right from get-go, you can now see that we have a resolution section and the ability to upload an image. You can take the resolution all the way up to 1080p. I'm just gonna leave it at this because it works just fine, and I'll upload an image of my choice. I'm gonna go with this one of a woman drinking coffee, which is this one right here. You can type in a simple prompt like, I can say, she sips her drink, just like this. You can choose whether you want the prompt enhancer on or not, and then click Generate immediately. Our video generation has been added to the task queue, so it's being generated now. Honestly, this is truly, truly good because it's completely free, open source, and the quality you get from this is honestly mind-blowing. Okay, our video is done generating. Let's take a look. And wow, this is really, really good. Everything is just on point. It's adhered to the prompt perfectly, and you can even see steam coming out from the coffee. That just goes to show you the attention to detail that this AI tool pays. Once again, you can click here and download it straight into your device. So I'm going to be showing the link to this AI tool in a few moments, but first, let's test out the text-to-video feature. Just click on Models, select Text to Video right here. The interface will be changed once again. As usual, just type in a prompt, like, I can say, realistic video of a woman walking on a sidewalk, just like this. Select the aspect ratio and the resolution. The aspect ratio I'm going to leave at 9:16. and then click Generate immediately. Just give this a minute while it generates. You can see it's generating right here, and in no time, our video is ready. Let's play it. And that was the result we got from it. That was truly, truly good. Once again, you can click and download it straight into your device. And remember, this is completely free, open source, and 100% free for me and you to use. And this right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out. And if you made it all the way to the end, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment for more free AI tools like this.